आज मैं आपके साथ मैथमेटिक्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। हमारा टॉपिक है, आज का टॉपिक है ट्रिगोनोमेट्री। ट्राई मीन्स थ्री, गॉन मीन्स साइड्स, मीट्रॉन मीन्स मेजरमेंट। सो ट्रिगोनोमेट्री is a study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. Here we will do something with right triangles. From very beginning we know that we can have at most 6 ratios between the sides of a triangle, and those 6 ratios have been denoted by 6 different things. We will discuss them over here. For example, let us take a right triangle. Like this, say ABC, ABC is a right triangle, right angled at B. In every right triangle we have other two angles as acute angles. We talk of these acute angles, the trigonometric ratios in terms of acute angles. Say in terms of angle A is an acute angle. The side opposite to this acute angle is called the perpendicular, and the side adjacent to this angle is called the base of the triangle, and the side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse of the triangle. Hypotenuse of the triangle. So we have 3 different sides of a triangle. One is known as perpendicular, other is known as base, and the third one is called the hypotenuse. But if we will take the same triangle, suppose ABC, but if we talk of another acute angle, say of angle C, then we say the side opposite to C, just like here the side opposite to angle A was perpendicular, here side opposite to angle C is perpendicular now. This side AB is now perpendicular because we changed the acute angle from A to C here, and the side adjacent to this C vertex is called the base. This hypotenuse means always the hypotenuse, the side opposite to 90 degree is called the hypotenuse. This is very important. First off, we have to remember that side adjacent to the angle is called the base, side opposite to this angle, acute angle, is called the perpendicular, and side opposite to this right angle is called the hypotenuse. Now we can have 6 ratios. Say first ratio is perpendicular by hypotenuse is one ratio, base by hypotenuse is another ratio, perpendicular by base is one more ratio, and 3 others are the reciprocals of these 3 ratios. So we can have at the most 6 ratios. Now we will discuss one by one of these 6 ratios. Say we write in right triangle ABC, right angled at B. If we will talk about acute angle A, we will say trigonometric ratios of your T ratios, simply means trigonometric ratios in terms of angle A. In terms of angle A, we write sine, actually S-I-N-E, sine, and angle A, sine of the angle A. Sometimes we denote these interior angles, say by theta, phi, etc., or simply by A, B, C, D. So here we write this angle by A. Even we can write more generally this A inside this triangle. This is sine A. So sine A is always equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, or more generally we say BC is here perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. So sine A is equal to BC by AC, means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then this is first ratio, and second ratio cosine of the angle, cosine of A. तो पहला जो हमने लिया, द फर्स्ट जो हमने लिया, दैट इज परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज, एंड द सेकंड रेशियो वी विल टेक द बेस डिवाइडेड बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज, बेस डिवाइडेड बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज, and this ratio is known as cosine of A, and we write it as AB means base and AC is it is hypotenuse. And the third ratio we will take perpendicular and base, and we call it as tangent theta. Simply we write it tan A, tan A. Tan A is equal to perpendicular by base, perpendicular by base, or simply we write BC divided by AB. So we got first three ratios: sine, cos, tan. Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos means cosine means base by hypotenuse, tan means perpendicular by base. And rest of the four we take the reciprocals of these three ratios. Say the reciprocal of tan is cotan, cotan A. Simply we write is, if we write this tangent A, it is cotangent, cotangent A. It is simply the reciprocal of this, means base by perpendicular. So we write AB by BC. So we see these two are the reciprocals of each other. Then we go for the reciprocal of this cosine, which is equal to secant. Secant, full form is secant. Secant A. Secant A is the reciprocal of cosine A, which is hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base means hypotenuse by base. So we write AC by AB. So we see that these two are the reciprocals of each other, cosine and secant. And last one, the reciprocal of first, sine A, which is written as cosecant, cosecant A. Cosecant A is hypotenuse by perpendicular, hypotenuse by perpendicular, AC by BC. So we got all the six possible ratios of the sides of a right triangle, and we call them sine A, cosine A, tangent A, cotangent A, secant A and cosecant A. For simplicity we abbreviate these. The first is abbreviated as only SIN, sine A. The second is abbreviated as first three letters COS, cos A. And this third is abbreviated as TAN, first three letters here, tan A. And then this fourth is abbreviated as cot A, and fifth is abbreviated as SEC, sec A, and last is abbreviated as, हम तीन ये नहीं लिख सकते हैं, we can't write only three letters because फिर तो ये एक जैसा बन जाएगा, इसलिए हम इसमें ऐड कर लेते हैं और दो, क्वेश्चन A. So we can abbreviate these six different T ratios simply as sine A, cos A, tan A, cot A, sec A and cosec A. But one thing we have to remember, this is not the product between sine and A, or cos or A or tan or A. This is not a product between two things, it is the ratio between two sides. So this is one thing. Another thing is here, we see that sine A and cos A, in a right triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side, So sine A and cos A will always be less than 1 because the denominator will be greater than the numerator. Say perpendicular means numerator and this hypotenuse is denominator. So here numerator is always less than denominator. So sin theta and cos theta always lies less than 1. They are always less than 1. But these sec and cosec, they have hypotenuse in the numerator, base or perpendicular in the denominator. So they are always greater than 1 or possibly equal to 1 or greater than 1. This is equal to 1 or less than 1. Now for this tan and cot, we see we can take the perpendicular very long and this base very short. So we can make it as large as we please, or we can take the perpendicular very short and the base very large. So we can make it as small as we wish. So this is the difference between how we can make the values of the sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. One thing is this. Now next, we showed that sin and cosec are the reciprocals of each other. So we can say, now certain formulae we have to remember. Say number 1, if we multiply the first ratio, say sin A, and the last ratio, say cosec A, since they are reciprocals of each other, say sin is perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AC. But for cosec, it is reciprocal. AC means hypotenuse by perpendicular BC. So AC will cancel out, BC will cancel out, it will be always equal to 1. Our first formula, sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. And we can derive 2 more from this. Say, if this is 1, second, we can write this sin A equal to 1 divided by cosec A. So we can replace, sometimes we need to solve certain equations, we write, instead of sin A, we can write 1 by cosec A, or instead of cosec A, we can write 1 by sin A. We can write 1 by sin A. So these are the 3 formulas from this one ratio, and we will take another. Say, for example, now taking second ratio, say cos of A, and taking it is reciprocal, that is sec A. Cos A and sec A, they are reciprocals of each other, hence their product is 1, as I have shown here. You can take the values of cos A base by hypotenuse, then here again hypotenuse by base, they will cancel out and it will come out to be equal to 1. So we say cos A into sec A is equal to 1. So we can derive, suppose this cos A equal to 1 by sec A, and और sec A, this secant A जिसको हम बोलते हैं sec A, it can be written as 1 by cos A. So more 3 set of formulae. So 3 and 3 हो गई 6. Now last ratio means tan and cot, they are reciprocals of each other. We can write tan A into cot A is equal to 1. So we can write tan A into cot A, they are the reciprocals of each other. So tan A into cot A is equal to 1. This implies tan A is equal to 1 by cot A, and cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. So we have a set of 9 formulae here. Sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. Whenever we see these two written somewhere, we can write 1 instead of this product. Similarly, sin A, it can be written as 1 by cosec A, or cosec A can be written as 1 by sin A, and cos A into sec A is 1. We can write cos A is equal to 1 by sec A, or sec A is equal to 1 by cos A, or tan A into cot A is equal to 1, we can write tan A is equal to 1 by cot A or cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Now, one more thing, we say let us take tan A first. We see if we take sin A divided by cos A, we see sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, means BC divided by AC. This is for this sin A. The ratio sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, means BC by AC. And this ratio cos A, it is equal to base by hypotenuse, means AB by AC. Solving the right hand side, we get BC by AC int, इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं, AC by AB. These two will cancel out. We are left with BC by AB, BC by AB. And from the figure we see BC by AB means perpendicular by base. This comes out to be perpendicular by base, which is a tan A. So, in simple terms, we proved that this tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. This is extra than this. This is tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. One formula cot A is 1 by tan A. But this under sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. Similarly, we can show, if we take the reciprocal of this cos A by sin A, we can show that it is equal to cot A. So, one more formula we can derive here, cos A by sin A. If we take this ratio, cos A by sin A, and take the values of cos A means base by hypotenuse, say AB by AC divided by sin A. Sin A means perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. If we solve this, we get AB by AC, taking the reciprocal, that is AC by BC, cancel out AC, we are left with AB by BC, and this AB by BC is base by perpendicular here. Base by AB is the base of the right triangle, BC is the perpendicular of the right triangle. It is called the cotangent or simply the cot of the angle A. So, one more set of formulae, sin A by cos A is equal to tan A, or conversely tan A is equal to sin A by cos A, and cos A by sin A is equal to cot A, or cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. This is one more formula regarding these. Now, we will go ahead. We can find certain, if we know one ratio of a triangle, we can find the other ratios as well. Suppose we will take an example for that. कोई एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. लेट sin A is equal to say 3 by 5, suppose, to find the other trigonometric ratios. So, we are given only one ratio, sin A. In a right triangle ABC, we are given sin A is equal to 3 by 5. We have to find the other trigonometric ratios. How to find these? Solution हम ऐसे कर लेंगे. Sin A means perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC it is given as 3/5 in simplest terms. Simplest terms means जो हमारी इसमें कसर थी वो कसर काट कर स्मॉलेस्ट फॉर्म. तो हो सकता है हमने k से कसर काटी हो. कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी इसको बोलते हैं हम. तो वी कैन टेक BC इज इक्वल टू 3k. BC को हम 3k मान लेते हैं एंड AC इज इक्वल टू 5k. AC को 5k मान लीजिए. Then we have to find the third side with the help of Pythagoras theorem. यहां लिखेंगे हम taking numerator means BC is equal to 3k. AC is equal to 5k by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. This AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. We are given three sides. When two are known, third can be determined. So putting the values, AB is not given. We will write AB square. BC square, the value of BC is 3k means 3k whole square, and the value of AC is 5k means 5k whole square. Solve for this AB square, or AB square is equal to 5k square means 5 is 25k square, और ये टर्म तो हम राइट हैंड साइड में ले जाएंगे. सो 3k square means 3 is 9k square. Subtract 25k square minus 9k square is 16k square. Taking square root, हमारे पास यहां AB square है, यहां पर है हमारे पास 16k square. We will take the square root. Usually when we take square root we take plus minus, just like this. So AB जो हमारे पास आएगा, we will write first plus minus 16 the square of 4, k square the square of k. We got two different these values, AB 4k, AB minus 4k, but we cannot take minus 4k because sides of a triangle are always positive. They have some length. So reject this negative sign. So AB is always equal to a positive value only because of the length is always positive. So AB is 4k. So we got the three sides of a right triangle. Then sin A, then we can calculate the sin A means perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is BC by AC, that is 3k divided by 5k. So k will cancel out, we will get 3/5, जो पहले ही दिया हुआ हमारे पास, दोबारा ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं थी. अब cos A की बात है, बाकी 5 जो बचते हैं हमारे पास, remaining 5. One is cos A means base by hypotenuse. We will write AB by AC and we'll put then values. We will get 4k by 5k. K will cancel out, we will get 4/5, and then we will get tan A. Tan A is perpendicular by base, means BC by AB, and value of BC is 3k and value of AB is 4k. Cancel out k, we will get 3/4. Now taking the reciprocals of these, say sin का जो reciprocal है that is cosec A simply, and the reciprocal of cosec A will be, this cosec A will be 5/3, and this the reciprocal of cos A is sec A, we can take 5/4 because they are reciprocals of each other, and reciprocal of tan A is cot A and its value will be 4/3. So if we remember the reciprocals of first three, we can calculate the other three from these three. Now next, so you can calculate these values even if you can take simply 3, 4, 5, but that won't be the length of the sides of a triangle, that will again be a ratio. So k we take as a constant of proportionality. few things. Say we will, हाँ, सो टाइम की कमी यहां होती है, तो बहुत कम टाइम में बहुत ज्यादा तो हम डिलीवर नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो फिर भी अगर थोड़ा सा हम किसी एक्सरसाइज से हम थोड़ा सा एक क्वेश्चन लेते हैं। हमारे पास एक्सरसाइज 8.1 है, तो यहां से एक खास चीज इसने सिखाने की कोशिश की है कि क्या मान लेते हैं कि क्या साइन ए जो है इट विल बी एवर इक्वल टू 4/3, जैसे अभी हमने लिया था 3/5। क्या ये 4/3 हो सकता है? नहीं हो सकता है, बिकॉज यहां हम लिखते हैं परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज, क्योंकि हाइपोटेन्यूज इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन परपेंडिकुलर, तो यहां परपेंडिकुलर ही बड़ा आता है हाइपोटेन्यूज से, सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल। क्या सेक ए, ये साइन ए की बात थी, क्या सेक ए हम लिख सकते हैं 12/5? हम ले सकते हैं। क्या हम ले सकते हैं? क्योंकि हाइपोटेन्यूज लंबा हो सकता है और हमारी बेस छोटी हो सकती है, तो सो वी कैन टेक दिस 12 एंड दिस एज 5, so this is possible. लेकिन remember, this is not a product between sec and a, but it's the ratio between this hypotenuse and base. Thank you for watching this daily class. Thank you.